Bismillah. Let's try to solve this hard read and writing fill in blanks in APEUNI Spanish. Let's see what Spanish is. Spanish is spoken by more than 300 million people in over 20 countries. It is rapidly becoming one of the most popular what? For language learners. Popular choices around the world. A popular course for beginners, since world Spanish is designed to the varied needs of adults. Designed to meet, not record, not choose, not such. Meet the varied needs of adults learner. Something learning at home or in a class. Whether or from the very beginning, it encourages you to develop your listening and speaking skills with confidence and provides many opportunities to practice reading in Spanish using the extensive range of media available, from the course book to the audio CDs. So it is range, because range from course book to the audio CDs and cassettes to the popular accompanying television series and free online activities. Sure. Okay, so choices, I think correct. Meet correct. Weather correct. Range, I think correct. I think provides, I think all correct. Let's submit and see. Yes, Alhamdulillah. Let's try the next one, which will be Catherine Mews. Originally a nanny, Mews is now parenting consultant advising couples privately on changing the child's behavior. حاجة doing corporate seminars for working parents, as well as, because this is adding, as well as doing corporate seminars for working parents. Her clients find they are unprepared for the chaos and unpredictability that having a child can entail. Parents are getting older and they have been in control of their lives and been successful whole lives, مش full lives, مش every life and not all life, whole life, control their whole lives and been successful. Suddenly a baby turns up and life turns on its head. Nicknamed the 3 days nanny. Her pledge to fix behavioral problems in the children under. To choose this one, we should read all the sentence. Her pledge to fix, I don't understand what the meaning of pledge, to fix behavioral problems in children under the age of 12 within 3 days. She's filming a new, so I think it is because of her pledge. I think her pledge means her interest, something like this. Her pledge to fix behavioral problems in children under the age of she is filming, yes. Okay, she is filming a channel TV series demonstrating her techniques of parenting consultant. The role of parenting consultant. Okay, finished. Let's see. Alhamdulillah. 4x4. That's good. Okay, let's finish here. Thank you very much.